Aloha, Master Kwasha here. In this video, you're gonna learn how to overcome negativity and allow divine expression and positivity into your life. So, having a negative emotions is such a normal thing as a human being. But holding on to these negative emotions that doesn't serve you can cause a lot of health issues. It can cause diseases. It can cause dysfunction and misalignment in your body, in your organs, and that is why a lot of people get some diseases. And so it is very important that we are aware and we are conscious of our emotions to not hold on to this negativity. So we will learn to balance our being. And so for more tips on how to live a healthy and balanced life, join our newsletter and we will see you in the next video. It is such an honor to serve you. Mahalo.